1, 2, 3, come on!
Hi, good day my dear learners and welcome to Math TV Lessons channel. Today we have a topic to discuss, and of course this is a continuation of our first topic in my first video about divisibility rules. But this time I will discuss to you on the divisibility rules of 3, 6, and 9. I know that you are so excited to learn today, so let's go, let's start our lesson. Let's start first the rule of 3. Rule of 3, a number is divisible by 3 when the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Like for example, 315. 315 is divisible by 3 because when you add a digit 3, 1, and 5, it's equal to 9. And 9 divided by 3 is 3 without remainder. Another example, 444. 444 is divisible by 3 because when you add the digits 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. And 12 divided by 3 is 4 without remainder. Another one, 102. 102 is divisible by 3 because when you add 1 plus 0 plus 2, it is 3. And divided by 3, the answer is 1 without remainder. And let's proceed to rule of 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. Example, 120. 120 is divisible by 6 because 120 is an even number, or the 120 is divisible by 2 because the last digit of 120 is 0. As we are going to recall the topic that we have discussed about the rule of 2 in our first lesson. Next, it is also divisible by 3. 120 is divisible by 3 because when you add 1 and 2 plus 0 is 3. And if we are going to divide it, the answer is 1 without remainder. So meaning 120 is divisible by 2, divisible by 3, and of course divisible by 6. Another one, 678. 678 is divisible by 6 because when you add 6 plus 7, it is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. 678 is divisible by 2 because 678 is an even number, or the last digit of the number is 8. And it is also divisible by 3 because when you add the digits, the answer is 21. And 21 divided by 3 is 7 without remainder. Another example is 222. Because when you are going to add 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. And when we are going to divide 6 by 3, we get the answer of 2 without remainder. And it is also divisible by 2 since the last digit of 222 is 2. And it is an even number. So we conclude that 222 is also divisible by 6. And now let's proceed to the last rule that we are going to discuss today, which is the rule of 9. When can we say that a number is divisible by 9? A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9. The rule of 9 it is the same as the rule of 3 in terms of process. Example is 126. 126 is divisible by 9 because when you are going to add 1 plus 2 plus 6, the answer is 9. And 9 divided by 9 is 1 without remainder. Another one is 747. 747 is divisible by 9 because when you are going to add 7 plus 4 equals 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. And 18 divided by 9 is 2 without remainder. Do you get me? Okay. Another example is 2601. 2601 is divisible by 9 because when you are going to add 2 plus 6 equals 8 plus 0 plus 1 is 9. And 9 divided by 9 is 1 without remainder. So that's all about divisible by 9 or the rule of 9. Yes, and we are done with our topic today about the rule of 3, the rule of 6, and the rule of 9. I know that you are very excited to try it out on the divisibility rules of 3, 6, and tell me whether the following numbers are divisible by 3, 6, and 9. So, I want you to pause this video for a while. Don't cheat while you're answering.
A few moments later.
So, let's start from 120. Is 120 divisible by 3, 6, or 9? Okay, 120 is divisible by 6. Do you agree? Yes, because when you are going to add 1 plus 2 plus 0, it is 3. And 3 divided by 3 is 1 without remainder. So means the number 120 is divisible by 3. And let's check if it is also divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2 because 120 is an even number. How about divisible by 9? Is it divisible by 9? No. Why? Because when you are going to add the digits, the sum is 3. And 3 is smaller than 9. And of course, cannot be divided by 9. And we cannot get a whole number as an answer. Next, let's proceed to 126. 126. Is it divisible by 6? Let's try. Yes, divisible by 6 because 126 is an even number. And of course, an even number is divisible by 2. And if we are going to add the digits 1 plus 2 plus 3, the answer is 9. And 9 divided by 3 is 3 without remainder. So meaning 126 is divisible by 3. Okay, now, is it divisible by 9? The answer is yes, divisible by 9 because when you are going to add 1 plus 2 plus 6, the answer is 9. And 9 divided by 9 is 1 without remainder. Very good. Another one, 216. 216, is it divisible by 2? Yes, divisible by 2 because it is an even number. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, divisible by 3 because when you are going to add the digits 1 plus 2 plus 6, the answer is 9. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. So means because the number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, it is also divisible by 6. My next question, is it divisible by 9? 260. Yes, divisible by 9 because when you're going to add the digits, the answer is 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1 without remainder. Okay, very good. We are done with our topic today, and I know that you learned something. And I hope that you enjoy our lesson today and have some assignment for you. Okay, so I want you to determine whether the following numbers are divisible by 3, 6, or 9. Okay, so I want you to put your answers in the comment box so that I can be notified if you really answer it correct. Thank you so much, my dear learners, for listening. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned something, and once again, have a great day. Bye-bye!